Another game that you can play with your student is give them 3 random cards, and then their objective is to order these fractions from least to greatest or greatest to least. Make sure to explain which way you want first. So we write down our fractions first. We have 2/5, 0/3, and 3/6. So the first thing we gotta do is convert each one to a decimal. So let's take a look at our 2/5 first. Again, top in, bottom out. 5 cannot go into 2, so we must add our decimal and our 0. 5 goes into 20 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. I have a remainder of 0, so I bring up my decimal, and I get 4/10. So then we have to make sure to write our equivalent decimal underneath the fraction that is equivalent to. Next one. Here we have 0/3. So when we set up our division problem, we know that 0 goes in, 3 is out. 3 goes into 0 times. So therefore, this value is simply 0. Finally, we have our 3/6. So top in, 3, bottom out. 6 cannot go into 3. Add your decimal and 0. 6 goes into 30 5 times. 5 times 6 is 30. I get a remainder of 0. Bring up my decimal to get 0 and 5/10. The second way you can always convert or simplify our fraction. So if I have 3/6, 3 can divide evenly into both 3 and 6. So then we get a simplified fraction of 1/2. Then from there we can divide. Again, top in, bottom out. Add our decimal. 2 goes into 10 5 times. Remainder of 0. Bring up our decimal, and you should get the same value. So then from here, we take a look at our 3 decimal values. So let's go ahead and order from least to greatest. So, the smallest number we have is 0. Then we have 0.4. And finally, 0.5. And there you have it.